Programming a computer to make it do what you want is what Code Camp is all about.
Well, you can make lots of things like it, like flip notes or games, and it's pretty much how you talk to a computer.
It's also about inventing new games and challenging what others have already done to make it even better.
We're doing the rookie kit, and currently we've been adding images to our game.
So those are the keys that if you play video games, you should know that these are like the bases. We're using Beatbox, and I came up with like 3 tracks so far.
This team is also using a rookie kit, developing a game on Python called Shooting Star.
And if you shoot your opponent 60 times, they are dead. And if you shoot the cats or dogs, then you'll get extra points.
The idea is to encourage students to develop their computer programming skills so that one day they will be developing future products.
And yeah, more and more companies are looking at talent as the big problem that they want solved. And so this is one of the ways that we try to solve that problem.
The future is now. There are kids in this room right now that are high school kids that work for my company and work for these other companies because we need them. We need the best and the brightest of Southern Utah to start working for us, and the sooner the better.
It took Roman Mylar 7 hours to program his game. Last year, this homeschooled student won 2nd place.
Zelda game on a Raspberry Pi. So you can go over and you can use a sword and collect gems.
The more advanced students take this a bit more serious as they plan to take their final products to market.
For anyone who wants a POS system for cheap that can go from their website, their phone, anywhere, process an order like an online order to like a fast food restaurant to a retail environment, anywhere that you want an order processed away from the POS itself without anyone getting in between and stealing the information.
While some are designing actual products, others are generating more code to make more code.
So it's cascading style sheets, and what we're doing is making a grid for it. So all the user will have to do is decide how many rows and columns they want, and our program will generate code for them for their CSS.
Coding and programming isn't just for boys. Girls are also giving their skills a try.
We're seeing those younger girls come back year after year after year, and they're going to become the collegiate girls, and eventually they're going to become the professional women coders.
Baily Allen started out in the Lego League. Girls Go Digital, and worked her way up to starting her own team called the Prestidigitators, where they placed 17th in the world last year.
No Utah team had ever done that in the history of FTC, but we decided to give it our best, and after winning the state competition the 2nd year in a row, then and competing well at super regionals, then we advanced to worlds and placed 17th there.
Baily said she just wants to pay her skills forward as a mentor.
It's not necessarily about bringing more girls into the STEM careers, but it's about letting them know that they can, and that's an option for them.
Sometimes the programming works, and sometimes it takes a while to get all the bugs worked out. But regardless of what their final goals are, these computer programmers are learning while at the same time having fun.
While you're playing, like you have balls and they're footballs and you're shooting them at the ref because they're a bad ref.
From Code Camp, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.